hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you are notified of when we upload new video content, which is always going to be on a regular basis. Be one of the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Now, in order to make her think of you or think about you is very easy and very simple. You just have to be you. You just have to be you. But on top of that, you have to be a thoroughbred alpha male. Yeah? And when you're a thoroughbred alpha male, you will do what is necessary, and I guarantee you she'll be thinking about you. And if she don't think about you, who cares? Another bitch will. So what I recommend that you do is you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akibulan Trust. Once you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself to become a pure thoroughbred alpha male. Okay? And once you become a pure thoroughbred alpha male and you're just doing what you need to do, these women are going to be impressed by you, and by them being impressed by you, they're going to be naturally, authentically thinking about you. And if they're really interested in you, really interested in you, they will show it and they will prove it to you. And, you know, obviously if they're showing it by their actions, then that is a sign that they are thinking about you. Alright? So if you've got any questions or any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.